Let me show you how to use the distribution point box. First, open the box and install the module onto the rack. The module adopts IDC technique, which means no soldering, wire stripping or the use of screws, and which clamps the wires at a 45-degree angle. Then use the insertion tool to connect the wires with the module, and cut the extra wires one by one. The distribution point box TP1707-50 is used in terminating cables of secondary telephone networks to the cable pairs of subscriber lines. Finally, confirm that the wires are securely connected. It's completed. Thanks for your time.
The Apple, your partner in growth.